Hi, I'm 𝗣𝗲𝗄𝗏, Director and Licensee here at Professionals 𝗨𝗽𝗱𝗏𝗧𝗏, bringing you the property management update for the month of October. Wow, the leasing market is really moving right now and demand for vacant rentals is extremely high. Despite this shortage, we did still manage to secure tenancies for close to 20 properties throughout the month, with some being leased off market. We do need more properties to service demand, so if we can assist you with your investment, please get in touch with myself or one of our team members. I'm happy to report that Professionals 𝗨𝗽𝗱𝗏𝗧𝗏 has been recognised in the top 15 agencies in the state for lowest days on market for 50 or more properties leased, announced in September, according to REIWA. More good news, our 𝗨𝗽𝗻𝗡 recent charity fundraiser achieved over $3,000 in donations. We would like to extend a huge thanks to our clients and community for their contribution to this success. Landlords are reminded that with the warmer weather coming, now is a good time to service air conditioners ahead of the summer rush. Likewise, for maintenance that has been put off due to the rain, if we can assist here, please contact your property manager. We would like to remind you that deadlines for contractors may be extended during this busy time. Here at Professionals, leasing and looking after your home is our focus. So if we can be of any assistance with your real estate needs this season, please get in touch today.